Hi, in this video we are going to see how to design a logo. Using the basic geometric shapes, I have taken a simple logo to show you how to design it. So this is the working place of our Coreldraw. So this is the Coreldraw window, and you might have seen all these property windows and as well as this toolboxes in the previous videos. Okay, so today I have chosen a very simple logo, which is the LG logo. So you might have seen this logo in many places. So today we are going to design this logo using the basic geometric shapes such as rectangle, circle, ellipse. But in this design, I have chosen only a single tool called the ellipse tool. So let us go to design this logo. So for that, I am going to add one more page. So already I have one page, and I have shown the final design of the logo in this page, and we are going to start doing this logo in one more page. So in Coreldraw we could add as many pages we need. So here is a plus symbol. Using this I will be able to add one page. You may see this is an empty page. This is the page 3. So these are all by default will be coming in this Coreldraw. So first I want to make a circle. So for that purpose I am selecting the ellipse tool. Either you could select this or you could press the shortcut key F7. So I am clicking this ellipse tool. Your mouse pointer changes to this shape. So to draw a perfect circle using this ellipse tool, you are just going to hold the control key in the keyboard, and as well as you are going to click and drag the mouse. See, the circle comes very perfect. Okay, after drawing this, we may use this pick tool to move this circle wherever you want. I have placed it in the center. Now I want one more circle of this same shape and size. So in order to draw, once again using the ellipse tool to draw the perfect circle, I could choose a copy and paste option. So to copy this circle, I am going to press Ctrl C from the keyboard. So I have pressed Ctrl C, and to paste this circle I have to press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. So I have pressed, and the circle has been pasted over the old circle. See, if you want you could move this and verify it. Okay, so now what I need is, I have pasted the second circle. Now I have to make that circle somewhat smaller than the original one. So for that I have to resize this circle. So in order to resize the smaller one very perfectly, you are going to hold the shift key from the keyboard and then click and drag. See how perfect it is getting smaller. Okay, so my second smaller circle is this. Now I want to fill the larger circle. Okay, so for that purpose I am selecting the larger. So when you click this larger circle, it gets selected, and I am going to fill it with the red color. See, when you select this fill tool and click the color from this palette, or either you could do in this way also. So a window appears and you could select the colors. So I have clicked, and the larger circle has become filled with the red color one. And now I want the smaller circle to be selected. So just if you click the mouse and press here, the smaller circle gets selected. So I want to make a thicker outline of this. So for that I am having an outline tool in the toolbox. So when you click here, you will be finding all the number of points of thickness. So this is 1 by 2 point outline. This is 1 point outline thickness. This is 2 point outline thickness, and this is 8 point outline, and this is 16, and maximum is 24 point outline in my thickness. So I am going to use here 8 point. See, the outline of the smaller circle thickness has been changed, but I don't want it to be in the black. By default it will be in black. I want it in the white color. So for that purpose, once again I will be selecting this outline tool from the toolbox. When you click, so here is color dialog box, outline color dialog box is here, and the shortcut key for this is Shift plus F12. You could press either that or you could select from this. So the color dialog box will be appearing, and I'm going to select the pure white. See, the old one is black and the new one is white in color. So I'm going to change this to the new color white. So when I click OK, my circle outline becomes white in color. Okay, so next I want this circle not to be a circle, I want it to be a pie. So pie means I am having already, I have told you in the previous videos, there is a pie option in the property of the circle. So when you click this, you get a pie. But I don't want to be in this shape, I want it to be here, that is vertically opposite to it. So for that purpose I am using this mirror option property. When you click mirror vertical, it changes to here. So nearly you have reached somewhat to our logo design. And now I have to cut from this part the L letter and the G is going to be remaining. So for that purpose I am going to use the shape tool. So the shape tool is available here. Either you could click here or you could press F10 key from the keyboard, which is the shortcut for this. So I am pressing the shape tool here. See, you could have the changes as a dotted line will be appearing. So I am clicking here right at this corner and I am going to convert it into curves. So that option is also available here. Convert to curves or just press Ctrl plus Q. So I click here and I am going to select this one, and once again I am going to select the option called break apart because I am going to cut this line so that only I will be getting a break. So I will be pressing this one so that the circle gets break. See, the circle gets break. Similarly you are going to do in here also. So once again you are going to press and you are going to select the break curve. So when you select this, you will be, see, I have break this one, and once again you can select and reduce the key here as well as sorry. See how it is perfectly I have cut the line, and you could resize it once again to the old shape. Okay, so that's all I think. You could reduce this if you want, you could reduce the size still more down to get the perfect L shape and G shape you have got. And now one more thing, we are going to draw a small circle I need here. See, the original logo is, here's a small curve. So we are going to make that. Once again for that purpose I am going to click the ellipse tool. So in order to get a perfect circle, you are going to press the Ctrl key in the keyboard and click and drag. Okay. So by default the outline is in black in color and I am going to fill it with the white. So I am pressing the white, so it gets filled with the white color, but I don't want this outline. So for that what I am going to do is I am going to select the outline tool from the toolbox. See here there is a cross option which tells there is no outline. So I don't want any outline. So I am clicking here. So I have removed the outline of that small circle. See, so this is the simple logo of the LG, and after watching this video, it's very simple and you could also try this by yourself because the steps are very simple, because I am using only the tool ellipse tool to draw and I am using the shape tool to cut that line, because to separate that L character, and so that the circle becomes the half G. So this is very simple, and I hope you will be trying this at home. Thank you.